Hello there guys, 7th of June, 28 degrees, 1 p.m. I'm in the new town, Albufeira new town that is, and I've come to check out a hotel called Vila Petra, so come and join me. Yeah, there's reception, and just to the right reception, got a lovely tapas and wine bar. I've just popped in, it looks absolutely amazing. Let's check out reception. So that's how you get into the restaurant there. I think it's called Bustle, the restaurant. It's a tapas bar. I hope I'm going the right way here, guys, to the pool area. Well, that's nice. So it is an apart hotel. Has studios, 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. There's a gymnasium. That's got all the gear in it, hasn't it? It's got the free weights, treadmills, rowing machine and bikes. If you fancy keeping fit on your holiday. Well, it's a lovely little area, like an inside outside. Let's make our way to the pool. As we pop outside, we're met with a nice little bar serving snacks. Got a little stage there for entertainment on. Got table tennis tables there, and there's a view of some of the apartments. Let's check the pool area out. That's lovely. Very tempting for me to dive in there, guys. And you wouldn't believe how close she was here from the strip. Just a couple of 100 metres. And when I drove here, I drove down the back streets and I found some little hidden gems of restaurants that I would have never have found if I hadn't come here. It's a shame that I can't show you in the rooms. But I know some of our viewers have stayed here and said it was amazing. And just on the price, guys, if you want to stay here tonight on booking.com, it's 192 quid a night. That's for a 2-bedroom apartment. But if you click the link in the description below, we might have some discounts for you. Oh, people there with their very red backs. Well, what a lovely hotel this is. So close, but yet so far from the strip. Well, if you like this little walking tour of the Vila Petra, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.